As one of the largest colleges in the UK, with over 20,000 students and excellent partnerships, it's no wonder 9 out of 10 businesses say they would highly recommend working with Southern City College Birmingham.
The reason for working with the college is really mainly down to the reputation, and now we have a couple of years' experience under our belts. What Southern City College Birmingham promised us, they really have delivered.
I've seen a willingness for the college to just go with ideas. Where we've had particular programmes or projects, the college have been more than happy to come on board and adapt and adjust in order to help us deliver. And that's been really, really helpful in getting some quite interesting projects off the ground.
We can recruit and train your apprentices, upskill your existing workforce, and deliver bespoke training courses to suit your business needs. Choose success. Choose Southern City College Birmingham.